The most horrifying planets ever discovered. Our universe is so wide that most of its parts are undiscovered and are a secret to most human beings. Whenever scientists reach out to its far and dark side, they find some terrifying things that add up to their astonishment. Yet, unlike previous times, man can reach outside our solar system and has started to explore outer galaxies. All those planets which revolve around the stars other than the sun are called exoplanets. And here comes the terror. Welcome back to another amazing video, guys. Today we're going to talk about the most terrifying planets ever discovered. Scientists have discovered various exoplanets that are extremely horrifying, either by nature or their shape. Watch out the video till the end, as it's going to be just like your sci-fi movies. So let's get straight into the video. Number 1. Korat 7b. So at first we have this amazing, strange planet ever discovered. The cause why the dawn in the world appears so severe is due to the fact that it's 60 instances towards its regarding star than we're to our sun. That is, Korat 7b's star is 360 times larger within the sky. On its day side, this planet can attain 4,700 levels F, warm enough to soften and vaporize rock. Condensation in the course of cooler fronts causes pebbles to shape, after which rocks rain down. Theoretical models of this planet additionally deliver the planet boiling oceans and lava. This planet is locked into function with its fire and brimstone half of continually going through the sun. The different half of the planet is sour, bloodless, and might attain -392 levels F, subsequently why it's far stated to be 2 hells in one planet. Its size is more than 1.5 huge Earth's 0 hours to complete one revolution around the sun. It is about 1.5 billion years old. At first, it was thought to be resembling Earth, but later on, research gave us evidence that this is just a gas-releasing planet, and there are no possibilities of life in this sphere. The more it moves closer to the sun, its gas is released and a rock-like piece is left. Number 2. 55 Cancri e. This planet has another name, Jensen. This is almost about the size of 2 Earths. It takes almost 7 days for Earth to whirl around this regarding the sun. It is almost 40 light years away. It is almost 1/3 diamond, so this ultimately means its atmosphere is extremely poisonous, as it is all surrounded by a carbon atmosphere. After interaction with heat and pressure from its core and its sun, it is converted into a diamond. It is quite a rich planet. Its value is currently 26.9 nonillion, where 1 nonillion equals 10 to the 30th. Similar to Korat 7b, Jensen is tidal locked and has one side of the planet that constantly faces the solar, and the alternative that's always in darkness. It's so near its star that water cannot exist in a liquid form, and rather exists in a supercritical form. Peculiar conduct someplace among a liquid and a gas. Weather at the ridiculously warm side of the planet, in which temperatures attain 4,000. For with inside the dark twilight zone, there's no risk you'll live to tell the tale on Jensen. The brought kick right here is that the Hubble detected what can be hydrogen cyanide oozing from under the planet's surface, giving us a superheated toxic fluid. Before moving on, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you are always updated with whatever is happening around you. If you like our video, give it a thumbs up. Let's continue. Number 3. WASP-12b. It has a size of 1.8 Jupiters. It orbits around the sun in approximately 1.1 Earth days. It's peculiar to look at such a planet stretched out into such an elongated form, but that is precisely what the gravity of the determined sun of WASP-12b is doing. The planet is predicted to have the handiest 10 million years left to stay, because it receives ripped aside and eaten up through its solar at a rate of approximately 189 quadrillion tons each year. Its sun is not the only one that consumes it, however. WASP-12b turned into a wonder to scientists who were not looking ahead to look at any such pitch-black exoplanet. The star absorbs rather than reflects 94% of light. It has been called black as asphalt. So, guys, do comment down below and let us know. How do you find it? Number 4. GJ436b. 30 light-years far away from Earth is the planet GJ436b, a planet trifling 2.5 million miles from its star. Its temperature is 822 degrees Fahrenheit, really warm enough to evaporate water. But this planet is so charming exactly due to the fact its water stays in a stable form. That is, GJ436b is a planet of burning ice. This isn't the type of ice you locate here on Earth. However, as a substitute, a unique one known as Ice 7 that results whilst it has a denser and greater crystalline structure. Scientists trust this ice form is because of the sturdy gravitational pressure on the planet's core. The restrictions for GJ436b do not end up there. Its outer layer of hydrogen and helium fuel online ought to bring about excessive levels of methane. But scientists are seeing over 7,000 times much less methane than what ought to exist on the planet. Instead, there are massive portions of carbon monoxide, which can also additionally come from the planet's center wherein the temperatures are sweltering. It is as big as Neptune and orbits around its sun in 2.6 Earth days. Number 5. TRAPPIST-1b. In a machine with 7 planets and 1 crimson famous person at its center, perspectives from the darkest facet ought to have 6 brilliant crimson moons within inside the sky. They're now no longer moons, however are alternatively 6 massive worlds reflecting light, 3 of them which might be in the machine's livable world. The planet is hot, approximately 2,240 Fahrenheit, and is anticipated to have, together with the opposite planets in its machine, a mixed parent of 250 instances greater water than we do right here on Earth. Planets on this machine are probably as much as 5% water, while our planet is only 0.02% water. At least TRAPPIST planets are conceived to have liquid water, while water on TRAPPIST-1b could be in vapor form. The planet has a composition in between the Earth and Jupiter. It is rocky like Earth and not gas like Jupiter. NASA RD on a terrifying, hilarious movie on the scariest planets in the universe this Halloween by depicting some dangerous pictures as well some clumsy and spooky voices. Those planets include Hellscape Planet HD 189733b has a speed of up to 54,000 miles per hour. The next 3 planets are Zombie World that spin around PSR B1257 plus 12, which are about 2,000 light-years away from the Earth. That's all for today, guys. So here we talked about what are the horrifying planets that are discovered in the known universe. And we still do not know what are the other things that we need to be terrified of. So if you want to know, stay tuned. We will be back with more videos. Until then, just subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and smash that irritating bell icon, so get updated every time we post a new video.